Paul here again from EMD Automotive. So I've repaired this side here. It's all repaired. So you can see it's cleaner. There, all of it. If you see all the threads on the bolts cleaned up. Just before I put it on, I want to inspect the other side. But if you look at this side here, look at that one there. So some of them are already slightly damaged. Especially this one here. See that one there? Sorry. See there? That corner there. So I've got to repair this one and that one there. I'm just going to clean the whole thing again before I put it back on. Anyway. Alright. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.